Here is a mid-70s, I think, Lakewood S-223 that I got from the Famar man a few months back. It's been sitting on my porch for quite some time now. I haven't ran it before, so it's pretty cold, so I guess you consider this as a cold start then. So we'll start off on low. And I do have a second gen S-223 in this color too. With the white speed sticker. Low medium. I'm gonna go to high. I'm gonna go to off. And this does have a McMillan motor too in it. And I also have another S-223 in terracotta orange, which I could do a comparison video here soon. And when the time comes, I'll burst this super electric off with that. So that's it, and until next time.